Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 Ford F-150. Starting right away up front. On the front end you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy duty tow hooks. Chrome bumper and grille add a sharp feel. A look down the passenger side. You have chrome wheels. Those are wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, cloth interior. Center console folds up and becomes an additional third seat, making this a 6-seater. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera, as well as a factory trailer hitch on the back. Taking a look at the bed, you have a Line-X spring-in bed liner, and then you also have the Lear hard cap on top. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls, full touch screen that includes your stereo, climate control and dual heated seats, and your 4-wheel drive controls are here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-150 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.